Hello kids, welcome to the computer class. In last video I have taught you how to insert the clip art, how to add the shapes, okay, and how we can insert the pictures in any MS Word document. So I hope you have practiced that in your system and you have understood. So today we are going to start with inserting smart art. Okay, smart art. See, sometimes our document may have text that needs to draw attention and should be presented in a well structured manner. So using SmartArt graphics, you can organize your text using various illustrations. I have told you that what is illustrations. When we go to the insert tab, we have this illustration group in which we have different categories of inserting pictures, inserting shapes, inserting the clip arts. Okay, so we can add different colors and effects to make an impact on the reader. Now the steps how to add the smart art. First we have to place the cursor where we want to insert the smart art. Then we will go to the insert tab. From here we will go to the illustration tab, illustration group, and from here I'm going to click this smart art graphic option. Okay, now from here we can choose any of the smart art icon to insert in our document. Okay, see, in this is the list. In this list we have the selected categories, and next thing is these selected smart art graphics, and here we have the colors preview of the selected smart art, that how it is going to be visible after inserting this, how the user is going to see it. Okay, now we will click the required smart art from the middle pane. Suppose I'm selecting this one. Now click on OK. Now you can see this has been selected, and here you can enter the data according to you. Suppose here we write animals. Okay, now suppose we write types of animals. Now here we are writing wild animals. Here we can write domestic animals. Okay, here you can give the examples of the wild animals like tiger. Here you can write down lion. Now domestic animals you can write, suppose cow. Okay, so this is how you can add the smart art. Okay, and to add text to the smart art we just need to click on it and we can write in that. Okay, so the text which is we are going to type will appear in the graphics, and we can resize it to fit as okay, you can see figure 5.22 in your book. They have given this kind of list of wild animals, then lion, tiger, bear, etc. Okay, and we can directly type text in the shapes without opening the text pane. We can select the shape and we can just start typing. Okay, now your next topic is using the WordArt. See, WordArt feature lets you create special text effect which gives your text a unique look. As sometimes in your school you might have competition of writing competition. In writing, what you do, you use different calligraphies, means different type of different styles of writing something. Okay, it can be Hindi, it can be English, etc. So suppose we want to write the title in a creative school project which should be attractive and eye-catching. For that we can use the WordArt features of the MS Word. Okay, you can use WordArt for your holiday homework front page, etc. So how you will add it? You will place the cursor where you want to add the WordArt, then you will again click to the insert tab. From here you will go to the text group. Okay, here you can see this is the text group. In text group we have the option of the WordArt. Now you can click here. You have different styles provided by the MS Word. You can use any of the style. Okay, suppose we select this. Now we can write anything. Suppose we are making the holiday homework page. Okay, You can change the size from here, you can make it bold from here, you can write it italic from here, and you can select the different font styles from here. Okay, now you can see the heading has been given in a stylish form with the use of WordArt. Okay, now if suppose next we see we want to write down holiday homework. Okay, again we will go to the insert tab, you can go to the text group here, from here you can select the WordArt, and suppose you are using this. Now you are using you are writing holiday homework. Now it is a subheading. Okay, your Guru Nanak Public School was the main heading, holiday homework is the subheading, so you can minimize its size. Okay, uh, now again if click on OK, so you can just bring it in the center from here. Fine, so this is your front page has been created. You can increase the size and maximize and minimize the size of it just by just by clicking on the, see, it has gone to the next page. Okay, this is how we can increase the size and decrease the size. We can resize it like this. Now it's gone to the above page as we have reduced the size. So this is how we can use the WordArt. Now next topic comes adding symbols. Okay, we can type text, number and special characters using the keyboard, but sometimes we may need to add symbols like rupee or a pound, etc., and such symbols are not available on the keyboard. Okay, so MS Word has this privilege, it is having the symbols which can be added to the text document. So Word has a symbols group that makes adding such symbols possible. For this, what we need to do, we will place the cursor. Suppose I have placed the cursor here. Now click on the insert tab. From here you can see the symbol group. Okay, this is the symbol group. From here you can add the equations also, mathematical equations and symbols also. So we will click on the symbol icon. From here you can see we have lots of symbols available, more symbols are there. Okay, you can select any of the symbol from here, like this is the tick, and this is union, etc. Okay, mathematical symbols are there like equal to, not equal to, so you can use all these symbols. Okay, we have the pound symbol, euro symbol. This is the use of adding the symbols. Okay, because they are not available on the keyboard. So I think your chapter is over. So what you have to do, you have to practice this on your system. Okay, and I think you will be able to understand it properly. So thank you all of you. Now okay, I'm just adding this symbol. Okay, like this. So thank you all of you, and please practice it.